Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's Loser Traps here, back with another banger. Today I'm gonna be trolling in Strucid with the minigun. Hope you guys enjoy. Honestly, bro, I don't even know why you were shooting me, bro. You're bad anyways. So, like, what's the change? Wait, yo, wait, how did I kill that guy? Damn. Yo, what? What the heck? For now, I'll just enjoy dying a lot. Alright. Because this is my first time playing this game in like a week. So I am a bit rusty. Bro, you're lucky I'm recording and I don't know how to clip while recording without it ending, bro. You would have been so done for. You would have been on YouTube, bro. Hey yo, bro, watch your jet. Is that playing Charlie? I see it. Yes, I see it. Wait, what, bro? But who you know that? It's just my nigga. You don't all that. You don't. Laughs out loud. Honestly, bro. Bro, someone clip that. Like, seriously, bro. Someone clip that. Too easy out here, bro. Get better at the game, dudes. Easy, bro. Easy. Oh, bro, you got me. You got me. You got me. That was my fault. I had no IQ there, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Kill me now. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Pull up for revenge for what? To get sprayed again, bro? Look at that, bro. Both of you are. Both of you. Wait, how did I miss? Easy, easy. Dude, what do you mean I missed all my shots? Yeah. And yes, guys, I said on my meme because this is a friend's account, okay? My account isn't the level for a minigun. It's only 125. Bye. Oh yeah, also RIP X, juice every rapper that's dead, bro. Come up here being dumb. 100% do it. Wait, bro, how? Frank the Hedgehog. Hedgehog. Oh yeah, please don't judge my voice or how I say my words. I do not talk standard English. But anyways, one more kill and that wraps up the video. So yeah. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and yeah, goodbye. Peace out.